to my channel. So today's video is my January BoxyCharm unboxing video. It is just the unboxing. I am not going to do a try on just because I'm trying to declutter a lot of my makeup collection, especially my palettes. So I might not even keep this palette that we did get in this month's box. But anyways, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription site where you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's anywhere from skincare, makeup, hair, and it's usually like a mixture of all that. But I do have a link down below with a referral code if you would like to try it out for yourself. I think it is totally worth the $21 a month. And usually everyone that I recommend it to, they love it. But yeah, so I guess we'll just get right into the unboxing. So this one's theme is Boxy and Chill. And then you just get all the products with the description and their prices. So the first thing that I'm gonna take out is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. And it's just the, what is it, retractable brow pencil, and then you got your spoolie on the end, and that's the color right there. I think it'll work out. It seems a little thick compared to what I like, but I mean, I'll try that out, and that retails for $18. The next thing I'm going to take out is by Xoxo, and this is the Referral Milk. It's a leave-in conditioning spray, and I did get one of these a few months back, but I think this was a little different, and this retails for $12. And this isn't a full size, but I mean, it is a pretty good size. So I'll try that out. Hopefully, I don't even think I tried out the first one, but yeah, we'll try. The next thing I'm going to take out is by Ofra, and this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. And I've actually heard really good things about this color, and this was probably one of the colors I've always wanted to try from them. And this retails for $20. Since I have nothing on my lips, I'll go ahead and apply it now. Oh. Okay, so it doesn't have an applicator at the end, if you could see that. I don't know if it broke or I just got a bad one. I don't think it broke. Oh. It smells really good. It's a little hard to apply without the applicator, but I tried my best. This is the color. It seems a little patchy, but I don't know if it's because I applied it with the stick and not like an applicator. But I'm gonna have to email them about that. Yeah, so that is the Havana Nights liquid lipstick. Okay, so the next thing in the box is by Tarte, and this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. You know, a few months before I actually signed up for BoxyCharm, they did get, I think it was Volume 1 of this. And I know a lot of people weren't really excited about it getting the Volume 2 this month. Ooh, but that packaging is so pretty. And I don't have any of these like round Tarte palettes. I've always wanted to try them, I just never picked them up. But this retails for $36. And ooh, that is so pretty. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, they're all pretty shimmer neutral colors, except for this one shade right here. And that will be like a good like transition shade. I want to swatch it because I want to see how it like swatches. But then I don't want to touch it because I don't think I would use this. Like, it's so pretty though. Like, I want to keep it just because it's so pretty. I don't know. So there's that. And the last thing in the box is by Tatcha, which I've always wanted to try Tatcha. It's just a little pricey. But this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, and it's a 2-pack for $24. And I mean, I love sheet masks. I love masks in general. So I was kind of really excited to get these, and it says these are good for normal to dry skin, which my skin has been so dry lately. It's crazy because I am a very oily person, but I have been getting really dry. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my hands are super dry. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try these out. Oh, and the total retail value of the box, everything we got in the box, came out to $110. Which, I mean, you're only paying $21 a month. But yeah, so that's everything we got in this month's BoxyCharm. I'm sorry for all the background noise. My kids just woke up from a nap as I sat down to film this, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, so again, if you would like to try BoxyCharm out for yourself, I do have the link down below. You can use my referral code, you don't have to. I don't really get anything out of it. But yeah, so that's gonna conclude today's video. If you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you all in the next one.